Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salmon patties. First, gather your ingredients. 1 15-ounce can of salmon, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, and your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Begin by thoroughly draining the canned salmon. Next, transfer the salmon to a mixing bowl and gently flake it apart, making sure to remove any skin or small bones you might find. Now, add your 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, the beaten egg, and your chosen seasonings to the flaked salmon. Use a fork or your hands to gently mix everything together until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the patties tough. Once mixed, divide the mixture and form it into 4 to 6 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick. They should hold their shape well. Next, it's time to cook your patties. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like olive or vegetable oil, in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the patties into the hot pan. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Your delicious salmon patties are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with a squeeze of fresh lemon, a dollop of tartar sauce, or alongside a fresh green salad. They make a fantastic quick meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And speaking of easy meals, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.